Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from PayMaster merchant payouts to bank account detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin withdrawing your PayMaster merchant payouts to your bank account, first, log into your PayMaster account. Enter your username and password on the login page. Once you are logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Locate the Payouts or Withdrawals section on the dashboard. Click on this section to open the withdrawal options available to you. Review your current balance to ensure you have sufficient funds for a withdrawal. Next, select the option to withdraw to a bank account. If prompted, enter your bank account details, including your account number and routing number. Ensure that all information is accurate to avoid any issues with the withdrawal. After entering your bank details, review the terms and conditions related to payouts. If you agree, proceed to confirm your withdrawal request. You may be asked to verify your identity through a two-factor authentication process. Follow the instructions provided for the verification, if necessary. Once verified, you will be redirected back to the withdrawal confirmation page. Check the status of your withdrawal request to ensure it is being processed. You will receive a confirmation email indicating that your withdrawal has been initiated. Payout processing times may vary, so check the estimated time frame provided. Once the payout has been processed, the funds will be transferred to your bank account. To track the completion of the transaction, monitor your bank account for the incoming payment. If you encounter any issues, contact PayMaster's customer support for assistance. By following these steps, you can successfully withdraw your merchant payouts to your bank account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.